guys, I don't know if you can see this, but E85 right now is $1.35. What is life? Yo, what is up everybody? Today I'm back with another YouTube video, and I know it has been a long time since I've been on this channel, but pretty much I thought today was a perfect day to show you guys what new modification I have added to my 2017 Mustang GT. And I know I haven't made a video about this yet, but I did just recently buy this car. Everything that's on it right now is pretty much been added by the last owner. So it's full bolt-on E85 with 47-pound fuel injectors. It's got BBK long tube headers, Flowmaster catback exhaust, and I think it's MBRP mufflers on the back. I'm pretty sure. I'm not 100% on that, but yeah. So this thing came pretty loaded. I know it's always not the best idea to buy a modded car. For one, like for me personally, I just liked it because of the look of it. It's got a GT350 front bumper and a saline hood in the bumper. The lip on it's kind of chipped off, so I need to figure out some way to fix that. I'm not 100% sure how to right now, but yeah, this car is super fun. I do wish I kind of got a car that was a little more stock so I could make it my own rather than buying something that someone has already played with. So yeah, in the future, I do want to swap the exhaust on it. I'm not a fan of the Flowmaster catbacks and the mufflers on it. So yeah, that'll be changed. I'm not sure when, but also I do want to probably swap the cold air intake. And then obviously just some exterior mods will make the car look just a little bit better. I did just order blacked out 5.0 emblems, so those will be added hopefully either tomorrow or the day after, I'm not sure. But yeah, so small changes to this car will be made, and I will try to keep you as updated as much on this car. You guys can go follow me on my car page, which is at Murdered50. I will include it down in the description. You guys can go check it out and follow me if you guys like to. But yeah, the whole point of this video is showing you guys the new modification that I added to my car, which is this N2MB watt box right here. I have it routed into my glove box, and pretty much it is useful for different purposes. It has a no lift shift option, it has a launch control option, and it also has this rev limiter option, which I have set at 6,500 RPMs, which is right where you want it, like right below red line. And the other day I was driving around, some person pulled up to me and they're like, dude, like you're spitting flames out the back of your car. And I was like, what? No way. And then I pulled over, I pulled out my phone. I had my buddy who was with me record it, and yeah, this is what happened. So yeah, when it starts getting darker outside, I will take you guys to a safe spot to where I can hopefully not get the cops called on me. But yeah, I'll show you guys the two-step and how it works. Yeah, it's pretty fun to show. But I'll probably be having one of my buddies who drives a 2020 Super come with me and hopefully get some shots of the outside of the car, like just on a regular road. But yeah, that should be fun. I will see you guys then. Yeah. And then we put the app. Nice, got it. Clean. You pulling these in? Bro, so clean. Alright, yeah, so right now I am with my buddy in the Supra in front of me. We are trying to find a spot where we can shoot flames. Not sure where that's going to be at, but we are looking because I do not want to get in trouble for this because this shit is loud as hell.